Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the only way to iCloud Photos. Get signed in and ready. First, confirm your Apple ID in settings and install any iOS updates. This prevents sync errors. Next, join a reliable Wi-Fi network and connect your iPhone to power so uploads don't pause. Finally, check iCloud storage. If you're near capacity, upgrade the plan now, otherwise uploads will stop. Once these prerequisites are set, you'll enable iCloud Photos and begin the actual sync process immediately. Now configure how photos are handled. In Settings, tap Photos and turn on iCloud Photos. This tells your device to upload new items automatically. Decide between optimize iPhone storage to save local space or download originals if you need full resolution locally. Choose based on available device storage. If you want uploads on the go, enable cellular data for photos, just be aware of data caps. Once these options are set, the library begins processing. Monitor the Photos app for upload status and progress indicators. To complete, confirm that your photos appear on iCloud.com or another device using the same Apple ID. If the library looks incomplete, give it time. Large libraries can take hours. For stubborn stalls, force a sync by toggling iCloud Photos off and back on, then restart the iPhone. This often resolves stuck uploads. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and that Wi-Fi and iCloud storage are active. Key troubleshooting tip: toggling iCloud Photos plus a restart fixes most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.